In a world where efficiency and precision are key for any industrial project to succeed, using virtual environments to optimize processes is essential. This is Project Binder's innovative solution for better alignment between customers and their vendors. Production infrastructure in a box. PiB. The PiB is a simulation environment according to the customer's specifications. By following confidentiality and security protocols, we are able to simulate the customer's site network infrastructure for smoother FAT and SAT testing. A PiB, it's not just a piece of hardware, it's a service. Our global team is committed to providing comprehensive support at every stage of the process. Configuration of PiB units. Setting up hardware, domain controllers, virtual machines, firewalls, and third-party software. Support management. Providing ongoing maintenance, troubleshooting, a travel team to provide on-site support when needed, and user support for standard and extended level agreements. Shipment and deployment. Configured PiBs are shipped to vendor or project sites, ensuring they are pre-tested and ready for use. Reconfiguration services. Handling configuration adjustments, such as network changes new machines or lines based on evolving project needs. Vendor alignment. Working with vendors during the alignment and configuration stages of the project. Documentation and process improvement. Updating documentation, streamlining processes, and eliminating time and material orders for greater efficiency. Our experts are located across regions, ensuring seamless coordination and support anytime and anywhere. Implementing a PiB offers multiple benefits that directly impact the efficiency and profitability of your project. Reduction in project costs, savings in testing and commissioning, less material waste, and lower rework costs. Decrease in validation and commissioning times. Error reduction and fewer audit deviations. Enhanced resilience and regulatory compliance. Sustainability and lower environmental impact. Significant reduction in carbon footprint by avoiding travel and ensure hardware recycling after project completion. With a PiB service, you can achieve faster time to market, greater flexibility, and improved efficiency. The PiB service is not just a tool, but a strategic investment, transforming how you implement and manage your industrial projects. With a PiB, you can focus on what truly matters, taking your business to the next level. Contact us today to discover how we can help you optimize your processes and maximize your success.